Okay, everybody, I'm gonna go to QuickTrip here because one of the few places you can get no ethanol fuel. And do I always put no ethanol fuel in? No, but she's been a good girl, so I'm gonna treat her right and pay some extra for 87 non-ethanol, which is the same price as premium 93. Anyway, every once in a while I like to do that just to treat her nice. Now, somebody I saw on the message board or on the Facebook group mentioned that bar right there, and I think that's just to protect all the internal components, the fuel pump and everything from getting damaged if you put the nozzle in there too far. But I would say also be very careful, because I was filling up not too long ago, and I don't know if it was the bar or something else, but fuel started spraying back up really close into my face. There you go. One moment, please. You're welcome. So be careful with that. Luckily it didn't get into my eyes, but it was close. It was a close call. Okay, so let's start her up. There we go. Alright, and just filled up now. Get off your bug. At 1,211 miles. And so I kept the one trip on the whole time on that trip, and I've averaged over 600 miles, 61.6 miles per gallon, which I'm just chuffed. Is that the right word? Well, 586 miles on that trip. I'm gonna clear that out, but I was so happy to get that. I almost did not get this bike after I saw a review. I think it was Rocket Man, where he was talking about his fuel economy, and I think he said he was getting upper 30s, and it turned out to be a miscalculation and all, but I'm like, oh, no. I wanted to get something at least in the 50s, and so to get in the low 60s, according to the trip computer, over almost 600 miles, I'm just super happy about that.